How to invest in fractional shares with Charles Schwab. Plus, if you're new to Charles Schwab, you can sign up on their Schwab Starter Kit page and get $101 added to your account, split amongst the 5 largest S&P 500 stocks. So that's $20.50 times 5 stocks after creating your account and funding it with $50 or more. If you're not familiar with the term fractional shares, it means you can buy less than a full share. So if a stock's valued at $100 per share, you don't need to buy 1 share for $100. You could buy 0.05 shares for $5. Schwab lets you invest as little as $5 per company in fractional shares, or as they call them, stock slices. If you want to get the $101 sign-up bonus, make sure you sign up for your Schwab account from this page. When you go to the next step, you'll see the Schwab Starter Kit offer has been added in the account creation process. Don't make the same mistake as me and sign up for your Schwab account on another page of their website. I realized I didn't get the bonus, and so I started chatting with one of their customer service reps. Earlier today, they submitted a request to see if I can still receive the 5 stock slices, but I haven't got the response yet. Being that I created my account from a different page of their website, they asked me what type of account I wanted to create, and I just ended up choosing brokerage account, but they have a bunch of other options here, from Roth IRAs, traditional IRAs, and a bunch of other options. We're not going to go through that in today's video, but just know that those options are available. So the next step after choosing the type of account is going to move on to ask for your personal information. They will ask for your birth date and social security number, completely normal for setting up any type of brokerage account. Then they'll want your contact information, your email, and phone number. Then I was asked to choose a login ID and password. After that, I asked for a security check. I could either choose email or phone, enter the verification code. Then I need to add my address and country of citizenship. From there, I added a trusted contact. Then they asked the following questions. Why are you opening an account? What are the sources of your funds? What's your employment status? So your occupation, employer name, employer address, etc. Then there's a bunch of regulatory questions that are, again, very, very common. So they want to make sure you're not a large shareholder or sitting on the board of a public company, or if you work at a broker dealer or for a stock exchange. Then you can select additional trading features such as margin trading and options. Both of these are higher risk than just investing in stocks or ETFs. So if you're just getting started, I wouldn't worry about adding these to your account right now. You can always add them at a later date. Then you have a bunch of legal agreements that you'll have to accept to move on with the account creation process. I would recommend reading through these, at least through the summary, and make sure you understand what they're asking you to agree to. After waiting just a couple of seconds, my account was created. The next step is adding funds to your account so you can start to invest. So I chose the online bank transfer. To do that, you're going to need your account number and your routing number to connect an external bank account. They wanted me to confirm my identity again, either through text message or email, so I did that. Then to actually add funds to your account, you choose your bank, choose the amount you want to transfer, then the frequency, so is it one-time or recurring, the date that you want it to happen. And so for me, it was kind of in the afternoon, I think, when I created the account, and so it was January 31st, and the earliest day to let me add funds was on February 1st. So this isn't something where you can create your account today and invest today. Chances are the money is going to hit your account if you do the online transfer a day later, and then from there you can start to invest. The following day, the $100 was added to my account and I could start to invest. Now let's go through the process of investing in stock slices. So from this screen, you can click on trade at the top of your screen and then click on stock slices. Here you can search for the stocks you want to invest in. You're going to have access to all the stocks in the S&P 500. For this tutorial, I'm investing the 10 dividend aristocrat stocks with the highest yield according to this article from NerdWallet. This isn't financial advice, it's just for educational purposes. Select any stocks you'd like to invest in after you've done your own research. I do have several other videos about dividend investing. I'll link to those in the description below, as well as at the end of this video. After you select the stocks you'd like to invest in, click continue, then select the Schwab account you'd like to use to make this investment. Then you're going to enter the amount you'd like to invest. Schwab is going to divide this amount evenly amongst the stocks that you chose. So make sure the amount is greater than $5 per stock. So I chose 10 stocks and I'm investing $50, so $5 per stock. After you've made the selection to reinvest or not the dividends, click on review your selection. You'll see an estimate of how much of each share you're going to get based on the dollar amount you're investing. You can see I'm going to get 0.1736 shares of VF Corp since the price is currently $28.80 per share and I'm investing $5. Here the order was received, and then if I click on order status, you'll then see that all 10 orders were filled. I can now go back to my main account summary page and see that that I now have the 10 stock slices that'll show up in my account for approximately $5 a piece. One quick thing before we finish up, a day later, I did hear back from the customer service rep, and they are going to give me the $101 to invest in the stock slices, but they said it could take up to a week before the money was in my account. The other nice thing, there was a surprise. I got this email when they ended up giving me the award. It says, congratulations, you'll be receiving your cash reward from Schwab. Down below it says, here are just a few things you can do. Invest your award in Schwab stock slices of the top 5 S&P 500 companies as promoted in the original offer. Pick other investments, keep your award to use later. So the nice thing is here, I can invest the $101 however I'd like within the Schwab platform. That was a nice added bonus that I wasn't expecting. Now, if you want to learn how you can build up passive income by investing every single day in a high dividend ETF, check out the video up above. Or if you want to see how much you need to have invested to be able to live off of your dividends, check out the video below. Hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.